love Meet Your Nature. I love Meet Your Nature so much. Meet Your Nature is having me get a palm tree. Meet Your Nature is having me have lots of plants and lots of trees as my eternal friends. I love Meet Your Nature. I love Meet Your Nature so much. I love Meet Your Nature's plants and trees. I love plants and trees. I want the best eternity for every plant and every tree. I love nature. I love Meet Your Nature. I love Father Nature. I want the best for Meet Your Nature. I want the best for Father Nature. I want the best for nature. I want the best for every tree and every plant. I want the best eternity for every tree and every plant. I want the best eternity for Meet Your Nature. I want the best eternity for Father Nature. I want the best eternity for nature's entirety. I want the real best eternity for Meet Your Nature's entirety. I want the real best eternity for Father Nature's entirety. I want the real best eternity for every tree and every plant. I love Meet Your Nature. I love nature. I love Father Nature. I love trees and plants. I love every tree and every plant. I love the environments and ecosystems. I want the best eternity for every environment and every ecosystem. I want the best eternity for natural. I love Meet Your Nature. I love soil. I love rain clouds. I love rainfall. I love Meet Your Nature. I love Meet Your Nature's sunlight. I love Meet Your Nature. I love Meet Your Nature wellness. I care about Meet Your Nature so much. I want the real best for Meet Your Nature.